Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your side hustle with Rover, beginner guide step by step clearly. To fix your side hustle with Rover, start by assessing your current situation. Identify the specific challenges you're facing. Evaluate your current Rover profile. Make sure your profile picture is professional and engaging. Craft a clear and concise bio that highlights your experience with pets. List your services with detailed descriptions. Include any relevant certifications or training. Set competitive but fair pricing for your services. Research what other Rover sitters in your area are charging. Adjust your prices if necessary to stay competitive. Enhance your availability by being flexible with scheduling. Consider offering special promotions or discounts for first-time clients. Improve your communication skills by responding promptly to inquiries. Make a habit of following up with clients after their booking. Gather reviews and testimonials from satisfied customers. Encourage clients to leave feedback on your Rover profile. Use high-quality photos of the pets you care for in your portfolio. Showcase your best work and the happy pets you've looked after. Network with local pet communities or groups online. Share your Rover services in relevant social media groups. Join local events to make connections with pet owners. Educate yourself on pet care by taking relevant courses. Stay updated on Rover policies and best practices. Keep your calendar organized to avoid overbooking. Utilize Rover's resources for sitters to enhance your skills. Be patient and persistent as you work to rebuild your side hustle. Keep track of all your bookings and finances for better management. Review your strategy regularly and make adjustments as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.